I feel like I'm a failure, you know? Shit, I don't know if I'm what's it called? I'm gonna be able to fucking make it to 25. Sometimes when I'm driving, I'm just like, damn, bro. I just kind of like want to fucking crash, you know? Yo, what's good, YouTube? This is gonna be I know you can't really see me. I'm sorry about that. I'm recording at night. But yeah, this is gonna be a different video. It's just mainly gonna be like a little talk, one-on-one talk with you guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna be talking about different things, life, mental health, dreams / goals, life goals, and some other stuff. But yeah, make sure to stick around, cause you never know, you might be going through the same shit as I am. So yeah, let's get started. But yeah, I don't know if it happens to you guys, but every time, I mean, my birthday's coming up in like about a week, and every time it's like around my birthday, I don't know, bro, I just get like sad and depressed and shit, cause I don't know, I haven't really done anything in my life, you know? There's like, what's it called? I feel like I'm a failure, you know? I'm like failing my family and shit. And me too. But yeah, I always feel like that. Shit, yeah. I'm gonna start going back to therapy. I don't know how long I'm gonna be in there though. How long I'm gonna keep going to the sessions for. Since I got a new therapist and shit. I don't know why I keep saying this shit. But yeah, I just wanna, you know, feel happy. That's why I like smoking weed, cause I don't know, I just feel like weed like takes all of my problems away, but I don't wanna depend on weed to like feel happiness, you know. I wanna feel like that like when I'm sober. But yeah, lately I've been feeling lonely as fuck. I don't really have no one to talk to about life. I mean, I got my mom, my dad, and all that, but you know, I need someone else. I don't really got friends, bro. Honestly, I don't even have. I mean, I don't really have one, not even one friend, bro. Or like best friend. I don't even have one. But yeah, man, honestly, I don't know how long I'm gonna stick it out for, you know? Shit, I don't know if I'm what's it called? I'm gonna be able to fucking make it to 25. Sometimes when I'm driving, I'm just like, damn, bro. Like, no, I know it's just gonna sound corny or something, but I'm like, I just kind of like want to fucking crash, you know? Some people might say that, oh, I'm being like a pussy, like you're too young, like you have your whole life ahead of you, but nah, bro. I don't know. I'm a antisocial motherfucker. I have trust issues. So like meeting new people, I'm like shy. So meeting like new people and all that, I mean, I'm trying now, I guess. I don't really go out much. But, yeah, I'm trying to make new friends, you know? Get out of the house more, because I'm just like in my room the whole day, watching YouTube videos, TV shows, movies, playing games, a bunch of bullshit, you know, just wasting time. I'm broke as a motherfucker right now. But, you know, that's gonna change soon. I gotta get up. I gotta start getting some fucking money, bro. You know, I wanna move out of my parents' house, get my own place. And fuck. Sometimes like at night, I can't even sleep, bro, because I just get these fucking thoughts, you know? Sometimes I just want to get in the car and fucking drive to pack up all my shit and go to LA or something. And just like stick it on, you know? Sleep in the car and shit. But nah. But, yeah, I'd say, I mean, obviously I got depression and shit, but I'm antisocial too. But I don't know if I'm bipolar or not, cause like earlier today I was like, I mean, not happy, but I was like happier than now. And then my mood just changes like that, you know? So I might be bipolar, I don't know, bro. You know, I thought about not like suicide and shit, but like hurting myself, you know? Like, just like little things like fucking pushing a pencil like super hard into your skin or something. Just to like feel something, you know? I've done that shit. But nothing too serious. Also another problem I have is that I like being alone, but at the same time, like, I don't want to be alone, you know? So I don't know if you guys, what's it called? If that happens to you or not. Like, I just want my privacy. I want to be alone, but at the same time, I want someone there, you know, to talk to and shit. Or like just chill with, you know, vibe, hang out with. I'm sorry if this video is like a little choppy. I'm just like thinking about shit and not talking, so I don't want to make this an hour-long video. So if it's choppy, then that's why. Lately I've been getting like irritated, like really fast, like mad, even though, I mean, I don't really like get like fucking mad, you know? But I've been getting like irritated, bro. Like a motherfucker, everything irritates me. I just want to punch some shit, you know? I want to get like into boxing or something, maybe that'll help me. Also to the gym too. I'm gonna start going back to the gym. Hopefully that helps my what's it called, my mental health. But yeah, I don't even want to be at the crib like half of the time, you know. But like I want to be outside, but I don't know where to go. And these gas prices, though, bro, they're almost fucking $6 a gallon. And I'm not trying to. I can't even afford that shit, you know. $6 a gallon, hell no. Even though I like driving this shit, I wish I could get like gas for free or something. I'll be outside all fucking day. But yeah, besides all that like mental health shit and all that depressive shit, I just want to live my life, you know, have a luxury lifestyle, bro. Like, have like hella money, but in order to do that, you gotta grind. I wanna live in the. I wanna have a penthouse views, live in the hills, live like by the water and shit, like super clear water. I wanna have hella cars, you know, have a 12-car garage, like 21 Savage says. I wanna own a hangar, bro. Have my private jet in there. My cars too, maybe. I wanna be able to go like on trips, like whenever I want to. Like if right now I wanna go to fucking Italy, I can go right now. If I wanna go to a beach somewhere, like a tropical beach, I can go. If I want a brand new car, I can get it right now, cash. New house, cash. Like that, you know. That's why I wanna work for that lifestyle. I don't know, bro. Sometimes life can be a bitch and sometimes it can be good. But lately it's kind of like being a little bitch, you know. But yeah, sometimes I like question myself, or like I'm asking like this question, you know, like what's the point of living if you're just gonna die? I don't know. Oh shit. Yeah, this is gonna be one choppy ass video, cause I just say one sentence and then stop. But yeah, some things I want to do in life are like, I want to get into acting. Be like a successful actor, YouTuber, streamer, like on Twitch, musician, and I mean, hopefully I can like one day race in like a NASCAR or some shit, you know. But anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video. I know it wasn't like really nothing special. It was just me sitting here in the car in the fucking dark in the parking lot. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe if y'all want or not. It's up to you. Yeah, my next upload, we're gonna go back with the POV drives or some other shit. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.